after a judge hands Cincinnati a win on gun regulation.
So she said the city showed why its local gun laws were in fact needed. WLWT News 5's John London live for us at City Hall tonight to break down the ruling. Hi, John.
Yeah, and Cherie, city leaders say this unties their hands, frees them from the restrictive ropes of the state's home rule. Now, today's decision does not settle the matter, but for this city on gun laws, it beats a blank.
Cincinnati got more ammunition today in its battle with the state over gun reform. Judge Jennifer Branch issued a temporary injunction that stops the state from preventing city leaders to enact their own gun laws. The city's mayor calls it a massive win.
Today's decision was based on clear and convincing evidence that the city of Cincinnati argument is valid, and we are proud to have earned a halt to these preemption laws as we continue to fight them in the courts.
City Council passed a safe storage law this year, as well as one that would prohibit anyone convicted of domestic violence or named in a protection order from having access to a firearm. But Home Rule did not allow a municipality to act on its own. In her ruling today, Judge Branch opened the door for this city to act, pointing out 4 out of every 10 illegal guns in Cincinnati are obtained as a result of parents failing to store their firearms in a secure manner. Police say since 2018, more than 2,000 guns were stolen, almost half of them from vehicles.
We've had officers who have encountered young children who have accidentally been shot because somebody didn't properly store their firearm. This gives them the opportunity to take action when they see something like that.
In her ruling, Judge Branch noted at least 38 children have been victims of gun violence since the beginning of the year, adding, most alarming, the leading cause of death for children in Ohio is gun violence. The court ruling is specific to Cincinnati, which has been sued by gun owners over the 2 reform laws approved this year.
And Ohio's Attorney General disagrees with the ruling and says he intends to appeal. Ultimately, the Ohio Supreme Court will decide what happens here. And Mayor Puraval this afternoon expressed confidence that Justice Joe Deters, one-time prosecutor in this county, and the Republican majority will ultimately side with local interests. Reporting live downtown, John London, WLWT News 5.
All right, John, thanks so much. United Auto Workers are